Good morning, children. So today we are going to do the next part of the lesson, matter in our surrounding. Already in this chapter we have learned already the properties of solid. If you take properties of solid, rigidness is a property. The attractive force between the molecule is very high. They do not show diffusion. They are very hard enough. These are the properties of solid. Why this properties of solid is like this? Because of the arrangement of the molecules. If you take the arrangement of the molecules in solids, they are very closely arranged. That's why they get a certain set of character. If you take liquid, in the liquid, we call it as liquid. Why it is liquid? Because it is having a separate set of character. If you take, these are the properties of liquid. If you take the liquid, the molecular arrangement is not so closely. It is having a certain gap between the group of molecules or molecules. Take the properties of solid. So it is having a definite mass, no doubt. When we weigh any liquids, oil packets or milk packets, you see some weight or mass is there. Because that mass is there, that's why we tell that it is having a definite mass. Definite mass is there. Definitely it is having a value because it is occupying some space. It is occupying some space. A definite space is there for that. See, a bucket full of water. It occupies some space over there. That is, it gets the shape of the container. If you tell, it gets the shape of the container, but no definite shape. Definite. It is we cannot tell that it's having a definite shape. No. It occupies the shape of the any container in which it is placed. If it is placed in a tank, if you take, so it get a shape of the tank. It's kept in a bottle. It occupies the shape of the bottle, like that. So there is only given second point. The liquid takes the shape of the container in which it is placed. In which it is placed. Say it takes the shape of that container. If we take intermolecular space, very important it is. Intermolecular space. Intermolecular space is high compared to solid. If you take compared to solids, the molecules are arranged very compactly. But if you take the water or a liquid, the intermolecular space between the molecule is high. Intermolecular space. This is intermolecular space. This is intermolecular space. This is intermolecular space. This is intermolecular space. So space between the molecule is very high over here compared to solid. We are comparing the liquid to the solid. So that's why the intermolecular space is too high. Why the intermolecular space is too high? If we take, the answer is attractive force. Attractive force between the molecules is attractive force is very less compared to solid. The solid, the attractive force between the molecules is very high. That's why it is rigid. It is having high density. But the attractive force between the molecules of the liquid is very less low compared to solid. That's why they flow. Liquid has low density compared to solid. We are just comparing the liquid to the solid. So it's having the density is very low compared to solid. Why? Again, if you come to the reason, the intermolecular space is very low. So very high, attractive force is very low between the molecules. That's why they become apart from each other. I will give an example. So your friends in the class, there are three friends very closely. They are bonded the bonding between them is too high. They mutually share their happiness, sadness, sorrowness to take. But after some time they may be apart. So the force of attraction, the attractiveness may be because of some reasons they become apart. Like that it happens. So attractive force, I am talking about attractive force. So liquid has a low density compared to solid. I told you that is the reason of force of attraction. Then see, if you take solid in small space, more molecules are arranged. In liquid, if you take in a large space, less molecules are arranged. Because of that, it becomes low density. In large space, less molecules are arranged. That's why it gets a low density. Liquid shows the properties of diffusion. If you take, yeah, definitely they show the properties of diffusion. Diffusion means what? Molecules, movement of molecules from region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration. I told you, when you put Bengal gram or green gram in water and place it for 3-4 days, it will swell itself. Why that swelling happens? The movement of the molecules. What molecules? Water molecule inside the seed, and the seed gets swelled up. That is diffusion. That is diffusion effect. Liquid expand on heating. On heating, liquid expand according to the kinetic theory of matter. They expand on heating. So these are the properties of the liquids. So every liquid has it is a common properties. Every liquid has separate properties. If you take, these are the general properties of liquid. If you take water, if you take milk or oil, whatever it is, there is the general properties. And every liquid have a special character. Every liquid has a special character. If you take liquid, water and oil, the density is different. The density of water is high compared to the density of oil. See, there is a difference. There is a difference because the arrangements or type of molecules present in them, they also matter. Similarly, next is the properties of gas. So, properties of gases. Gases have definite mass but no definite volume and shape. They have definite mass. You may be seen the experiment in lower classes of two balloons. If you take inflate two balloons with less gas in one balloon and more gas in one balloon, and if you weigh it, so one will be having a high mass and one will be having a low mass. That can be used. That balloons can be made as like balance, and you can see that. So next class we will do that also if possible. So they occupy whole space available to them. Gases. See, we are surrounded by gases. Maybe hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, whatever it is. We are occupied. We are surrounded by gas. So that is the properties here available everywhere. They take up the space available to them. They take up the space available to them. A gas is released means, see, the Bhopal tragedy. Bhopal tragedy you may be knowing, you may be studied in social. It is a poisonous gas which was leaked by industry and it killed so many people in Bhopal. That's only called as Bhopal gas tragedy. So why it has happened? Because leakage of gas and it occupied the space available to that. It will occupy a large space. People started affecting by that gas. If you take, see, one more example I can give. In highways and all, sometimes the petroleum gas carriers will cause a leakage due to some reasons. That will spread to the large area, and if some fire incident happens, it will burn. The gas will start burning where it reaches. So that is the one of the tragedy we have already come across in our highway which connects the Pune to Calicut. If you take this incident happened in Kumta only. Similarly, the intermolecular space is too high. The intermolecular space, the space between the molecules is too high. If you take these gases, so the molecules, the intermolecular space between two gas molecules is very high, very high. If you take Cl. So because of that, it gets a diffusion, high diffusion property. And we can add one more point also to this. It is highly compressible. Gases are highly compressible. Gases are compressible. Why they are compressible? Because they have a huge gap, more intermolecular space. They have more intermolecular space between them. That's why they are compressible. They are compressible. They are compressible. We can compress. We can compress and turn a gas into a liquid. Gas into a liquid. That we'll learn in the next part of the lesson. That is, the concept name is effect on pressure on gases. That we will learn. So gases are highly compressible. Why they are compressible? So why they are compressible? Why they are compressible means they have a high intermolecular space. Intermolecular space is too high between the molecules of the gases. Why they have high intermolecular space? The answer for this question is attractive force. So attractive force between the molecules is very low, very low compared to liquid or solid. The attractive force between the molecule of gases are very low. That's why it is compressible. It is compressible. Note down, compressible property is important. Similarly, gases show the diffusion. Gases show the diffusion. Diffusion means what? Movement of gaseous molecule from region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. Gases usually move from higher concentration to lower concentration. If you keep a bottle of perfume in a room, slowly it will spread that perfume to the large space because of this air or gas. So these are the properties of the gases and liquid. In the next part of the lesson, we are going to study about the effect of temperature and pressure on matter. Effect of temperature on matter. Thank you very much.